Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing in the woods. Alright, so I got two cubes. I got the Little Magic 2x2 and the Guhong version 3 magnetic. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to start with the Little Magic. It doesn't matter. Alright, so it doesn't have any plastic wrap. Yeah, it's pretty good. When I set it up, it might be my 2x2 main, but I don't really care about 2x2. Yeah, I'm not the best. But yeah, so let's try corner cutting. Reverse, not that good. But yeah, it's when I tension it and do all that, will be pretty good. Now onto the Guhong. Alright, so here's the Guhong. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I actually got this Supernova, so nothing in the box. Here it is. So it has some plastic wrap. If I could get this. Alright. So I got Supernova set up. Sorry about that. Someone was driving a four-wheeler in the background. I mean, they still are. Well, that's okay. So here's the Guhong thing. It's actually really good. It might even be my backup main. Yeah, this is really good. It's really smooth. I might have to wipe the cube down. Corner cutting. Yeah, you can hear the four-wheeler. But here's corner cutting, reverse, no effort. And yeah, now onto a solve. Alright, so overall, I really would recommend these two cubes. And after I do a couple solves on this, I will decide. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.